Hello, my name is Kieran Gleeson. I'm CEO of Custran, and I'd like to introduce you to the Custran platform, in particular, the Irish Import Declaration H1. So this is our starting dashboard. This is one of our accounts. And in the middle here, you can see most recent declarations. When there's a change, you see it here first. Our main menu is on the left. And first of all, I'll show you just on the account section where the digital certificate goes. Once you have your certificate, you upload it here and you leave it on your account. You no longer have to interact with it. Next, just quickly, I'll show you our contact section for the platform. Any consigners, consignees, exporters, importers that you deal with, their information can go in here and it's saved. So names, addresses, VAT numbers, ERI numbers, it's all saved here. We've used a similar sort of thing for our product section. So all of those commodity codes that you have for your goods, it can all be stored here. Once you get the information from the TARIC database, you can enter the details here and they're saved. So this particular one is for a car. There's the commodity code, the VAT rate, country of origin, additional codes, Y codes, identifier codes, weights, preference codes, procedure codes, anything that is associated with item level information for that commodity code can be saved right there. So on to our Irish AIS import declaration. So here you will see this is our imports dashboard. Each row here represents a separate declaration. So I'll go into our top one here, which I have open. And you can see our layout. We've 8 tabs in total. The first 7 are header level. The last one is item level. Our general tab at the start, master details, what type of declaration it is, all of the value details, currencies, invoice amounts. As we scroll down, we've previous documents, delivery terms, and those all important Incoterms. Next tab over, the exporter information. This is pulling the information from our contact section. So if we select one of our options here, it's pulling that information in. The same for the importer. These are all contacts we have already saved. And again, it's pulling that information in. The declarant is the person making the declaration. So again, their information is saved. So that information is pulled in here also. Onto the transport, the Customs Office of Presentation, Office of Lodgement, Office of Dispatch, the estimated time of arrival, all needs to be done and needs to be saved. So on to item level next. Again, for our commodity codes, we can add a new item here. So again, from the information that we have saved, if I put in the first couple of numbers, it recognizes this and it's pulling the information in. So we've already saved it in our product section. So it's pulling all that information in for this particular code. So you can see this is what we've saved, the mass, country of origin, preferential codes, and all that other information there. So when we have all that information saved, we go back to our declaration, and you can see it in the top row here. We'd hit the little arrow here, which sends that information to the revenue system. It goes to pending, then it goes to registered if everything is correct. If there's an error, it comes up red instead of a green color here, and it tells you what the error is. And once the pre-boarding notification is done correctly, then the goods and the declaration go to released. Once that's released, you'll have your MRN number, you'll have your SAD, which I will show you here quickly. You'll have that in PDF form. And you will also have your clearance slip, which some hauliers still require. So that is just there. So that is it. We'll have remarks. We'll have a cloning option for the declaration as well, if you need to do that. And there's an amend option if there's any change subsequent to the goods being released. So for further videos And on customs declarations, you can go to custran.com. If you need to email us, you can go to info@custran.com. Thank you very much.